All right, today is the day, and we're out here in the studio. It is kind of a mess, and I'm kind of cold having to turn the heat on, but that's kind of the way things have been going. I've been trying to keep this channel pretty consistent, producing a video every week, and did good for about 5 weeks. And then at the turn of the year, when I kind of decided that I was going to really push on the car, something happened. And this is a pretty regular thing with me. I think I've got a kind of a bad disc in my lower back. And I've learned over the years that when it starts giving me a problem, to just don't do anything that might infuriate it, and then it kind of goes away quicker. And so instead of just going gung ho like I was hoping, I had to kind of back it off. And that was good in one way, bad in the way that we didn't get any videos produced. In a way, we did get some videos produced, because what it did is it forced me into working on another project. That is that I've been working on a series of videos, and it's going to take a long time to collect all the stuff to put them together, but that is a collection of designing and engineering with FRPs, or composites. And one of the things I wanted to do in that series is use a lot of animations. And so I've been teaching myself, while I've had this downtime, to do some animations and some editing to create the animations in Adobe Premiere. And so there is a video as a result of that time coming out very soon, probably within the next couple of days. Another thing that it gave me time to do is stemmed from a conversation I had with a good friend of mine who's an aerospace engineer and was also involved in a court case involving the failure of some suspension components. He was an expert witness on this. And after talking with him, I've had this inkling in the back of my mind and of moving this way, but he was recommending to move to using fabricated steel components and not using cast parts. And this is the hub that was going to cast this PLA piece out of the 3D printer. And if you'll notice, the sections on this are very beefy, and that's to accommodate for the strength of materials and possible imperfections in the casting. But after talking with him and probably realizing that he's probably very correct, like I said, I've been thinking this way myself, possibly, that I had decided to ditch the components, at least the critical ones. There'll be some others that we will cast, so don't worry, we'll get into some PLA casting out there in the foundry. But I don't think there's going to be much of a loss. Building the parts this beefy in the aluminum, I don't think there's going to be much of a weight gain or loss going to chromoly and the fabrication of steel. So been a lot of time, and taken at least all 4 of the A-arms were planned in the casting. Now they're going to all be going to that chromoly steel fabrication. So like I said, at least it gave me the time to sit down and work on that in AutoCAD, get those dimensions all created. So that's kind of the way things have been going. Hopefully now my back's doing a lot better, and we'll be back to getting these molds put together and out the door with some components out of them. I shouldn't say out the door, because it's going to be a long time before it goes out the door, but we'll get those components made and some videos out the door. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Look forward to that videos coming up about the FRPs, and we'll see you then.